Setting up a WhatsApp account and posting to social media means you've entered the digital economy, but that is distinct from running a digitized business. If your inventory still lives in someone's memory, and chasing late payments means manually calling clients one by one, your operation is still analog. You compete entirely on effort, which keeps your margins incredibly thin. To scale, you must move from digital entry to digital depth. That requires building a minimum viable digital stack, a tightly connected operating system where your tools actually communicate. The solution is not buying 14 different software subscriptions. It requires a curated, specific stack of tools to eliminate operational chaos so your business can expand without being crushed by its own weight. Step 1 toward achieving this digital depth requires zero software. Before you buy a single tool, you must clean and standardize your physical processes. Start by establishing strict naming conventions. Digitize chaotic handwritten ledgers, and you'll inevitably end up with a corrupted database. Step 2. Merge fragmented contacts and balance sheets into a single master list. Finally, perform one physical stock count to establish a hard baseline. This document outlines the barriers to digitalization across MSMEs. Notice the specific emphasis on weak data management and operational complexity. While many assume technology cost is the primary barrier, a lack of process readiness often poses a more significant obstacle. Adding artificial intelligence or complex cloud software on top of messy workflows simply makes your current mess faster and more expensive. Once your data is clean, you can implement the core function of your digital stack, forcing your sales ledgers and your inventory data to live inside the exact same cloud environment. In a connected system, when you generate a new digital sales invoice for a customer, it triggers an automatic deduction in your back-end database. That mechanical connection entirely eliminates the daily burden of manual end-of-day stock reconciliation. Your numbers stay current in real time. This diagram illustrates how digital transformation prepares mid-sized businesses for larger partnerships. Establishing this exact data architecture allows you to integrate directly into regional supply chains. By mathematically linking these two datasets, you remove yourself from being the central bottleneck for daily record keeping. Now that inventory is synced, we can move to the automation layer. Here, we use low-code tools to optimize your cash flow. You can set up a workflow rule that links your cloud accounting software directly to the messaging platform your customers already use, like WhatsApp. For example, you configure the system so that any time an invoice crosses 30 days overdue, the software autonomously dispatches a template reminder directly to the client's phone. Avoid the trap of purchasing separate, disconnected subscriptions for every task. You want a lightweight CRM and accounting tool with pre-built native integrations. Automating your receivables turns a high-friction, anxiety-inducing task into a passive, predictable cash recovery engine. The final piece of your stack is visibility. Configure a single home dashboard to persistently track 3 metrics: current inventory value, your accounts receivable, and monthly turnover. Building this infrastructure produces a measurable financial result. Data confirms a direct mathematical relationship between these digital systems and proportional revenue growth. This scatterplot graph plots tech investment against turnover. Based on data from the Udium portal, the trend is clear. For every single rupee invested in this digital capacity, MSMEs see a corresponding 81 paisa increase in turnover, proving a 97.8% correlation. Take a look at this state-by-state data. Geographical clusters with high MSME density, like Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, are already adopting these digital ecosystems to capture larger market share. Real-time data visualization is the ultimate payoff. It gives you the operational clarity required to step back from data entry and focus entirely on strategic growth. When you reach this state, your sales, inventory tracking, and automated customer follow-ups operate together as a cohesive, frictionless ecosystem. Resist the temptation to add bloated enterprise software once things are running smoothly. Strictly maintain this simple, minimum viable foundation. To start your transition, download the paper-to-cloud checklist in the description below to execute your initial audit and finally break free from manual operations.